Hey, how are you? Christo here, and in this video I will show you how to convert MKV to MP4 using OBS. Check it out. So sinare ko to kasi nung bago din ako nag-stream kasi most of my videos using my phone like this one. Ginagamit ko yung kinemaster. Pero hindi pwede yung MKV or .flv na file. Kailangan MP4. Nag-research ako online and come up with OBS. Pero pwede din yung VLC media player. Pero para sa akin, mas maganda ang OBS. Mas madali. Sakto kasi ginagamit ko na din yung OBS pang stream ng games over at Twitch at Facebook.
Hey, how are you? So in this video, I will show you how to convert MKV to MP4 or any other files for that matter. So first, we are going to use OBS. Okay? So first, we click File. And then nakita nyo Remux Recordings. Click natin to. Tapos dito sa kaliwa, merong OBS Recording at may target file. So makikita nyo itong ellipsis, yung tatlong dots. Yan ang tawag dyan, ellipsis. Click natin or options. Then makikita nyo may punta kayo dun sa gusto nyong i-convert na file. So ito, video ko from playing Valorant, recorded siya. So yan, MKV file, makikita nyo, 4.95 gigabytes. So click natin, open, and then ma-convert siya into MP4. Okay? So yan, okay na yun. Tapos, matik na. Gagawin na lang natin, click tong Remux button. Okay? So, antayin lang natin siya mag-convert. So, it will take a few minutes. Depende sa quality ng computer mo, ng CPU. Or sa haba din, sa laki ng file. So, yan. Mag-aantay lang tayo. Meron pang ibang ways to convert files. So, pwede din yung VLC media player. Pwede mo din gamitin yon para mag-convert ng file. So, para sa akin, since ginagamit ko na din yung OBS, why not use it as a converter? So, ba't ko kino-convert? So, ako din, usually nag-edit ako ng video sa phone using kinemaster. So, kailangan MP4, hindi siya makaka-mix or makaka-re-edit using MKV or FLV na files. So, kaya kino-convert ko siya to .mp4. Yan, almost done. Lalabas yung dialog box, yung window, recording, remuxed. Okay. Pumunta tayo dun. At makikita nyo, ito yun, remux na siya. Hindi ito yun. Asan na? Ito pala. Ayan. May iba yung binibideo ko. So, kita nyo MP4, same 4.95 gigabytes, same with this one, same length, same file name, file type. Okay, that's it.
Kids, if you're into gaming, do check out my streams at facebook.gaming or facebook.gg and twitch.tv at KRIZTOBF. That's the end of my tutorial, and if you're into games and other reviews or how-tos about gaming and streaming, do check out the other videos somewhere here. Bye.